At this point, we have a variety of these 3M pads, everything from 1 by 1 inch to 4 by 8 inch, for one reason: they work. This is in our mechanical room, and we needed a solution to go on this concrete. There's moisture issues, there's heat and cold issues, and we can't drill into our concrete walls. So this becomes a perfect solution. I love that they hold incredibly well. You just take the white side off first, and that's the side that adheres. And then the red side is what adheres to whatever you're trying to stick to. In this case, we needed these hammock pieces to adhere to this concrete wall and stop losing them. So this is a perfect solution in this instance where we don't have access to another solution. We even use these to adhere bed frames to walls in dorm rooms, and everything sticks well. So they're just very versatile, and they don't have to worry about them moving. Another place that we use them in the same room is we had some electronic equipment we needed to hang, but we didn't have anything to hang it on. And so we were able to cut strips of these larger 4 inch by 8 inch pieces and adhere them to a weird backward angle on these studs that we couldn't access easily, but it allowed us to hang the equipment we needed without having to reach around weird angles. So basically, professional grade adhesion. Love the size. They're water resistant, heat resistant, heavy duty. Love them because they just work.